Some of the most common myths surrounding scientific exploration and scientists conjure up visions of white-haired people in lab coats, surrounded by scraps of paper, chemicals, test tubes, and experiments in progress. While not all scientific disciplines may use the scientific method, astronomy, theoretical physics, paleontology, research in the life sciences continues to generate knowledge by making observations, forming hypotheses, and testing these hypotheses. Since the subtitle of this book is Critical Thinking in the Life Sciences, we have limited the discussion of scientific research to those areas of biology involving basic biological research, biomedical research, and clinical research. This chapter focuses on research and approaches discussing the scientific method, which is often used to make observations, frame hypotheses, ask questions of basic biological phenomena, and perform experiments. Learning objectives: to describe the scientific method and compare and contrast the difference between hypothesis-driven and hypothesis-generating science. To appreciate how basic scientific research can be undertaken and applied to clinical problems. To chart the timeline of the development of scientific principles throughout history. To apply your understanding of the scientific method to real-world examples and research questions. The philosophy of science. There are many reasons to undertake scientific research: a desire to discover a cure for a disease, or a mechanism to change how we use fossil fuels. It may also be a more basic drive to discover new information that has no obvious application. In the world of the 1850s scientist, the desire for discovery was sufficient, along with a generous benefactor, to establish a career and to build on existing information. However, commercial realities of our current world mean that the need for scientific research may be driven by the actual discovery rather than the journey. Nevertheless, the drive to discover something new and potentially important is what motivates many people who are beginning a scientific research career.